Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate Bank Alfalah card. First, open the Bank Alfalah mobile banking app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged in, tap the menu or card option. Then select debit card or credit card depending on which card you want to activate. You will see a list of your card, then type new card, then shows inactive or not activated. Once the card details screen, look for the bottom that says active card or card activation. Tap continue. For security reason, app may ask you to enter a one-time password into your phone or confirm using your PIN or biometric login. Follow the instruction on the screen. After completing the step, you will see a message saying your card has been activated. Now your card is ready to use ATM, withdrawal, purchase or online payment. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.